Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to increase maximum display brightness on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to increase your Samsung phone display brightness to the maximum, then here's a video for you. So if you don't know this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now for you to be able to increase your Samsung phone maximum display brightness, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Once you open the settings app, scroll down, locate and click on display. On some Samsung Galaxy devices, it could be display and touch. So just locate where you see display and click on it. Then you should see brightness. To increase the display brightness to the maximum, drag this to the maximum or reduce it like this. However, if the brightness level is not located around here, you should see the brightness level at the top here. So just find it around the display and touch or display page, and then use it to increase the display brightness to the maximum level you desire. And once you're done, can I hit the back button? Then you should see your Samsung phone display brightness increased. So that is basically how to increase maximum display brightness in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.